These YouTube thumbnails are getting out of control. I know there's lots of competition out there and everyone wants you to click on their video, but I never imagined this back in 2005. I wonder what would happen if older videos were given thumbnails from 2021.
2005, man reacts to Metallica for first time.
2021, guy shocked by Metallica.
2005, man builds lean-to in wilderness.
2021, epic Viking super shelter.
2005, easy steak and eggs recipe.
2021, epic kitchen nightmares revealed.
2005, me at the zoo.
2021, man visits zoo for first time.
These YouTube thumbnails are getting out of control.